Prophet Bushiri. My people, no look my face like this because this matter wey I bring una. See, I dey very, very angry. Very angry, but make una no worry, I go try give una the normal vibe. You know na, as they go. This very man of God, they accuse him and they arrest him because of fraud and money laundering. Now true, abi no be true. We go soon find out. My people, for una wey no know this man, I know say many of una go don hear the story, but for una wey no know am, yes, na prophet and na for South Africa. And as at last month, October, they arrest this man because of money laundering and fraud. But they come put am on bail this November, na they bail am. Yes, and they bail am on one condition. The condition be say he no suppose leave South Africa. Why? Because they never do the last, the final trial. So he supposed they around until that time. But something happened, my people. Something happened. It can't happen say the president of Malawi, in Fauna, we don't know, the prophet now from Malawi. So in president can't help and escape. As I dey talk to una like this, my brother dey Malawi. Now they call ask and say, you know say you never do this thing, this trial. So why you supposed to? Because na crime. Now he talk say no, say people they against him. Many people they try kill him. So he need to run for his life. And they can't ask the president because everybody can't dey vex. The president say you no get harm for this matter. Say you no carry anybody travel. Oh, the thing wait, see, una suppose know how some things they go. Because now many people, some innocent people now, their life could also be at stake. Yes, their life goes also at stake. Because now imagine all those pastors where they be good people. Now nobody goes even trust pastor again. Now anybody where you meet, they will tell you, all pastors they lie. Because of people like put the prophet picture. Because of people like this. Oh, bros, dollars. They say na dollar case. No be thousands, no be millions. Now they involved for this case. So my question now be say, if you know say you no do all these things where they talk about, why you go run? No, make una listen first before una talk, because if you know say, because the case where they call for this man, it dey very serious. I don't know whether una think say na small case. It dey very serious. So if you know say you no do this thing, you no suppose leave the country. And if you feel say people won't kill you, go to the president. Call somebody, may they give you security guards. They go guide you. Because as you don't come out for this country, you and the president. Una don't dey trouble like this in case una no know. I don't talk am. Una don't, in fact, the matter now don't worse past the one where they accuse of. Because you get case 1, you don't go add case 2 join. Oh, my people, now only God know how this thing go. But make una no worry, because any other update, now for here una go get no other place. Nigeria government won't bring police people and the citizens together. Now they don't send all the new set of police don't graduate in case no. They don't send them out. They say now they will go for different communities. They say now them will go to protect the citizens. Say they want to make the police people and the citizens together. They fight crimes. Me, I don't get any problem. Oh. Anything when I decide, since it's good for the community or for the country, it's fine. But my own be say, listen where all these police people, I beg, put their picture first, make these people see who are they talk about. I hope say they don't undergo mental and psychological training, examination, I mean. Because, now remember that NSAS thing. They say those ones, they know undergo exam. Make we know, because before these ones will go, go the kiki people anyhow. Anyhow, I get advice for una. As una they look me like this and they look una. Make una listen carefully. No taking of money from people on the road. You know those things when they do. For anything for me. Like say na me and you go work my money together. No taking of money from people on the road. No kidnapping, because now and now the latest way police people get to the kidnap. I don't even know when una even start the kidnap. They say una supposed to protect, but una don't end up the kidnap. And no selling of guns. Make una open una ear. No selling of guns, because this matter, I don't hear them before. I just say make I keep quiet. I don't bring advice come una house. All of una we don't graduate as una they watch me like this. No selling of guns, so no try am. No lying. Una sabi lie. E be like say as they born una, lie they come out together. Una sabi lie. Make una know they lie again. And another one, no borrowing of uniforms. Una know una selves. I no go mention name. Una know una self. No borrowing of uniform. And then no bribing. All of una we sabi bribe. You go know say this person dey wrong, but they go just give you money. Your mouth don't shut up. No be waiting you bargain. No. Abi una don graduate now. No be. I'm not sure say they teach you now for the class wey una go take or the training. No bribing, no corruption. Nigeria police, una get 100 for that one. No corruption. And no checking of people's phones. This one what I go they do. Person fit just dey your own car they go. Even people who know they car, they could fit you fit just dey waka for road before you know they don't call you. Let me see your phone. Wait till they find for person phone. Now you and person gain phone. Abi you get money. No taking of people's phone to check. Make una listen now. And then no smoking. Many of una like the. Una get 100. No smoking, but if una catch person, una go arrest the person. But una they take all those things pass. And they watch una. No harassment. Una know what they talk about. No harassment. All those boys where they work, they hustle, their hustle. Una go just want they harass them anyhow. No harassment. And please, if una want arrest anybody, the politicians they there, because now them be the biggest criminals we get. I don't care if you agree with me or not. I don't talk am. Now them una supposed arrest. And then no intimidation. Hey, this one they pay me pass. You go just if police they tell you something and you want maybe explain yourself. Shut up. Don't you have respect for this uniform? Which uniform? Now these 2 yards where they wear, where be like waiting not even be original. Now they call make person respect uniform. They never ever respect you finish. Now uniform they call respect. See these people. Make una just see them. Me, no be say before they go to say are they against anything? Now their decision. But I just want to show you now. See them. This one look like person we never chop. See as they be. Some of them say don't they lost inside the uniform. The uniform just bogus, just big for nothing. Say carry gun. Some of them say the gun where they carry, they don't even fit carry. The gun heavy past them. I don't understand which kind. Oh, what happen to all those macho? You know, if you watch abroad, there are police people. To become police, go just be hungry. You go just want be police. They look fresh. They chop well. This one. You go just go chop one fried fish, their break time, come back, all their mouths go the smell of fish. Now that mouth said they go use come arrest you, where you go all vomit. See, I don't experience many things. I don't go understand. Their money, how much did they pay them? No more that they go about. I don't tell you now, no more bribe. All those things they no so they do before. Make una stop am. Time don't reach. Stop am. As una don't graduate, I don't even feel tell una congratulations because I don't feel like, and it's your business. People, una don't hear them all. Now the new set of people be this. So anytime una see them for una area, una community, make una know say I don't bring una the gist before time. Yes, now here be the Aproko show where we they bring you all the latest gist. No time. I go see you later. Don't forget, drop your comments, share this video, make everybody know what they happen for Aproko show. And if you never subscribe, me and you go fight oh. What they wait for? Click on that thing and click on the bell too, so that anytime we new videos come, you go be the first to get that. You understand? Now me, you Aproko madam. I go see you later.